Hi, my name is Wes. I'm here at Stem Cells Colombia. Just yesterday, I received my stem cells treatment. It's been 24 hours since I received it, and everything has gone very well. I've had a knee issue for the last year, a torn meniscus. We did some scans, and after analyzing the scans, the stem cells treatment was recommended. And so the treatment itself wasn't bad at all. A little bit of pain, obviously, with the injection. It was over very quickly. It went better than expected. I would definitely say that. Last night, felt a little bit of pressure and pain in the knee. This morning, it definitely felt better. It's been 24 hours, and at the moment, I can walk a little bit, not too much walking going on. But it's going better than I thought. I'm very happy with the treatment I've received here at Stem Cells Colombia.